How to follow someone on Instagram if their account is private. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can follow someone on Instagram if their account is actually private. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. So if someone's account is private on Instagram and then you want to follow them, you have to understand that from the official standpoint of view, Instagram will not let someone just break into their security and then view the photos and videos of a private account. Instagram has got billions of users worldwide and they have made the security so strong that no one can actually break the algorithm. So first of all, you have to understand if there is any type of services or people claiming that they can actually view someone else's account's profile for you and for a certain amount of fee, do not fall into that category, because obviously no one else will be able to do it for you. You're only causing yourself to become a scam victim. However, there's an alternative solution that I have for you. So let's say that there is a private account on Instagram, right? So there is a private account on Instagram, but you want to view their profile, but at the same time you don't want to let them know that you are the person trying to follow them. So in that case, what you can try to do is simply try to create a dummy account. So when you actually create a dummy account and then log into that account from that specific dummy account, you try to follow them. If they accept it, they don't know, of course, it's you, right? So you can go ahead and view their photos and profiles in that way. That is the one thing that you can do. The only thing you can do is simply try to send them a private account request. If they accept it, that's fine. If you don't want to let them know that you are the one who's actually trying to follow them, because this is the alternative solution that I have for you. Unlike this, there isn't any other way. So I hope this video solved the problem. If it did help solve the issue, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.